Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about Billionext forex broker in WikiFX application. So we are going to make a full review on this forex broker and I will show you the full details of this forex broker in WikiFX application. If this is your first time to visit our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribing button and hit the bell icon so that anytime we posted a new video about forex and forex trading, you will be the first person to see it. So as you all know, WikiFX is the only VEX tools in the world which allowed users to search for almost 35,000 forex brokers information free of charge, and you can get latest information about forex, technical analysis, and every information about forex trading and the market analysis. You can get it in WikiFX free of charge. So in this video we are going to make a full review of this forex broker called Billionext forex broker. So now I will open the WikiFX application and I will show you the step-by-step how you can check the full information of this forex broker free of charge without paying a single kobo. So if this is your first time to visit WikiFX, don't forget to download the WikiFX. If you are using Android phone, download it in Play Store, and if you are using iOS device, which is iPhone, you can download it in App Store. So now let's open WikiFX application so that I can show you how you can get the full information of this Billionext forex broker, and you will see the full information of this Billionext forex broker in WikiFX application. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let's open the WikiFX and see. Hi guys, welcome back. So now let's open the WikiFX application so that I can show you the full details of this Billionext forex broker free of charge. So quickly click on this the icon that I have circled. This is WikiFX. If you do not download it, you can download it in Play Store or an iOS store. So let's just click on it like this. So immediately click on it, you will see that it will start opening the interface of the WikiFX application. So immediately it opens like this. You will see that there are many thousands or almost 35,000 forex brokers in this WikiFX application, and there are very latest news about forex and the market analysis, technical analysis, and almost everything about forex strategies and other things. So now let's check about the Billionext forex broker so that we can make the full review on the broker. So now click on this place where I have pointed. When you click on the place like this, just like write Billionext. So when you write a Billionext, it will open like this. This is the forex broker that we are talking about. The Billionext forex broker has 1.34 scores in WikiFX application. So let's open it and see the full review in the broker. So I'll just click on the broker like this. Immediately I click on the broker, it will open like this. Right here you will see that they have 1.34 scores in WikiFX application. The analysis index is 0.00, business index 0.00, risk management index is 0.00, and in WikiFX they have been called as scam broker. So you people, you should be very aware of this, that this is platform is a Ponzi scam. Please stay away from it. So when you come to WikiFX, anytime you want to trade with a forex broker, try and open WikiFX and search the full information of that broker so that you will avoid losing your own money. So let's check of the scores. Like, just click on the scores like this. You will see that on the top, Billionext/WikiFX, that means the scores which WikiFX will give to this forex broker. Rental rules: the reliance index has 0.00, the business index is 5.00, risk management index 0.00, software index 4.00, the regulatory index is 0.00. so this is a total low score broker in WikiFX application. You should avoid investing your own money in such kind of brokers. So let's go back and check the overview of this forex broker. Just click on the overview. When you click on the overview, you will see that the company name is Billionext Global Limited broker. The current status is already been a scam broker. Company abbreviation Billionext. The platform region/country region, the Belgians, Iceland. The customer service number NIN, the customer service email NIN. The official QQ is 40060633999. So this is the overview of this forex broker. So when you come to the let's go back to the and check the Those are the complaints, or I will say those are the scam exposed which users has complained about this forex broker. So when you come to it, you can read it one by one. Due to the time, I cannot stay and read it one by one, but you can check it by yourself. You can read it one by one. So let's check about the website of this forex broker. So just click on this place. This is the website, the original website of the forex broker. So anytime you want to check the original website of the broker, try and get WikiFX, open WikiFX, search the broker, and then click on the website inside the WikiFX application. It will take you direct to the original wiki, it will take you to the original website of that broker that you are looking, because you know there are too many columns website brokers. So but in WikiFX you will only find the original forex broker when you come to WikiFX. So that's why we recommended you always, if you want to search for a forex broker, try and open WikiFX so that you will get the full information of that broker before investing your own money. So this is all about this forex broker. If this is your first time to visit our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribing button and to hit the bell icon so that anytime we posted a new video about forex and the forex trading, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you.